with KASEN MOREY celebrating the number 7. Tell you what, bag that.
Oh yeah.
At 6 to 7 years old, man.
That's really
good
cool.
stuff
Good
right
job.
there. Happy birthday to KASEN and Lamar.
And happy birthday to BRYKER HENSLEY in Nevada, turning 8 years old today. Happy birthday from your family as well.
And Gerard Blaze Burks turning the big number 11. Blaze, have a great day, my man.
And in Baxter Springs, Noah Sparks turns 14. Happy birthday, Noah.
Ainsley Vietz, a happy sweet 16. Miss Ainsley, she is celebrating in Brazelton.
And happy
Brazelton,
birthday.
I should say.
You know, it's all good. Happy birthday to Charisma Hightower, turning the sweet 16 in Parsons. And I love that first name too.
I
Charisma.
was just about to say, I have not seen that used as a first
Right?
name. I absolutely love that.
That's cool.
That is awesome right there. Connor McPheeters, he is now 17. You're getting out of that 16-year-old age and into the 17s in Joplin.
Emma Scott in Fort Scott, turning 18.
All right, Matt Dietz, he's turning 45, and this happens to be one of our cousins of our graphic artist, Will York, who puts these birthdays and pictures together each and every day. Matt, a very happy birthday to you and Weir.
And happy birthday to Troy Carson, turning 54 in Pittsburgh and works at Miller's Professional Imaging.
Yeah, shout out to Miller's out there.
Happy birthday, Troy.
Brenda Mayfield is turning 77, and that's a pretty cool picture right there, Brenda.
That is.
And also, too, this birthday wish comes from your loving husband, Dave.
And happy birthday to Ernest PEREZ, also turning 77 in Parsons.
Happy
And-
birthday, Mr. Perez. I haven't seen him in a while.
And happy birthday from your loving daughter, Gina.
Sandy SCHULZE-WEAVER, she's celebrating a birthday in Coffeyville. Sandy, I want you to have a marvelous weekend.
And Gail and Cinda Miller celebrating their 50th anniversary today. That's great, 50 years. Very cool.
That's true, man. Great picture, too.
Yeah.
Terry Donaldson happens to be the stepdad of our own morning show director, Dylan. Terry, a very happy birthday to you.
And a massive happy birthday
Yeah.
to Miss
Who
Helen
that is?
Kelly. She is the receptionist and personal assistant to Mr. Food, but she's the voice you hear whenever you call the station. And she's most generally the one who picks up. So happy birthday to Helen. Super
Yeah,
nice.
let's put it this way, folks. We sit in the studio and we talk, but there's a lot of other stuff that goes on in the
Oh,
world.
yeah.
If it weren't for the Helen Kellys of our lives, everything else, it wouldn't get done. And so, Helen, I want you to know how much we love and adore you. And we couldn't make this work if it weren't for you, ma'am. I want you to always remember that. We absolutely adore you. She's just a marvelous person.
Yep.
Ellie Westhoff is now double digits. She's 10 years old. A happy birthday to Miss Ellie in St. Paul. Juanita Dobkins, a happy birthday in Columbus. And let's keep it in Columbus as John Crane Jr. gets ready to celebrate his 21st.
And happy birthday to Maggie Fike Frankham in Pittsburgh. They're a retired Air Force officer, so we salute you as well. And happy birthday. And Ginny Beck in Pittsburgh, also having a birthday today. So happy birthday to everyone.
Yeah, happy birthday, Judy. Yeah, Maggie served in the Air Force. Great story. That's where you can send them into. Birthdays at KOAMTV.com. You can also go to KOAMNewsNow.com and submit them as well through that. I'm going to wrap up a quick weather thing. I'm looking here. I'm trying to do.
Yeah.
I know I'm trying to update Elsa. Is what I was working on.
Okay.
So I tell you what, I'm going to update Elsa because you've got a very important birthday announcement to make.
Yes, I do. You can be part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. You can get special deals from local businesses as well. So go to KOAMNewsNow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday